water which we are supposed to give to him.
Meanwhile, drivers of tourist vehicles from both Meghalaya and Assam convened an emergency meeting today in Nongpor to address concerns arising from the incident that occurred on July 26th at Umtyngngar. The meeting was attended by drivers and owners of tourist vehicles representing various associations from both states. The primary focus of the meeting was to ensure peace and harmony among the drivers from both states, who rely on tourism for their livelihood. It was agreed that drivers should be able to operate freely and without disturbances in both Meghalaya and Assam.
Ini habis song lang kini meeting nangi kalyang jong Meghalaya bat Assam. Kaya hi tengah tagawe hi kebangila ya rai lang nomor ba kajing sutu bakla jong ki nonglek nongwan ki bawan naga barjela tam ki bana coba ka state jongi kan na kiwi ru ka state ki ba don gitu kajing yakhang nagalyang jong ki seng bhalang ndai katu baro bangi kamton jing dei em ha kalyang kajing bat kan te nagalyang jong iru long ina panchai hiru ba nagalyang jong komunikasyon ngimdon re kanu kajing ya persya ya kanu ka tourist taxi ki bawan siya kajala jongi baki her kaliang jongi bang song mendaring ini sim khia tang ha bedai bat kani kaliang jong kini kali private di balabun palat di bawan kamai sini kajala jongi laki number plate le katu kalau ong kniat kala kam kini ya piang ja jongi kinong kamai ki ba kamai hok lagi terus taksi